Welcome to Farsi with Fred. And if you want to learn Persian alphabet and how to read it and how to write it and get comfortable with your pronunciation and in the process get some vocabulary, you should watch these videos. I'm gonna make a series of these videos only alphabet and explain how we write them at the beginning, how they come in the middle, and how they come in the end. Hope you guys enjoy and let's get to it. The first alphabet is A. A. It's a long vowel, like in English would be apartment, right? And then it can come in different shapes. One would be A, the other one would be E, and another one would be O. So this one, if it comes in the middle of the word, it loses this hat, so as the rest of them. And examples for these, for A, we add a B, it would be ab, which means water. A would be atse, I'm not sure which te it is. Atse, which we sneeze. E would be emza. Emza is signature, and O would be omid. Right? Omid is hope. So what if R comes in the middle, like ba, ba? So R loses the hats. We have two long vowel R, ba, ba. In English, it's papa, right? Ba, ba. Same goes with these ones. They lose the hat too. The hat goes, and this little thingy O also goes away. So next letter is B. It has two shapes, actually four kind of, but this is how it comes in the end, whether it's connected or it's not. And this is how it comes at the beginning and in the middle. So I'm going to give you guys examples. B, when it's in the end and it's connected, sabab, which would be cause, it means cause, sabab. Sabab. See, there is one B here. It's like this. It's connected from left and right to both letters. And B in the end is also connected to this B here. So what if this, and it's at the beginning, we had this, baba is one example. The next, another example would be bozorg. Bozorg. So one dot here, this is Z, this is B at the beginning, right? Bozorg, which means big. Bozorg. So next one is P, which looks exactly like B, but it has three dots. And it sounds like P in English. P, like puppy, right? P, like papa. For example, for P would be, okay, let's do a word that we already done, half of it. So pedar, pedar. So this is how it comes at the beginning. And instead of putting three dots, we actually do a half circle around it, half circle below it. Pedar, this is D and this is Re. Pedar, bozorg means grandfather. Pedar bozorg. Pedar is father, bozorg is grand, big. So grandfather. Same thing when it comes in the end of the word. Some word to be in the end. Up. application, app, which is what we say in Persian too, app. So that would be this, the A with the crooked hat on top, and P when it's not connected. So 3 dots is half a circle, right? This is P. Okay. Okay. Next one is T with a line on the top, or instead of the line, 2 dots. T. Exactly like B and P, but it has 2 dots on top. When it's in the beginning or middle, it's like this with 2 dots or a line, doesn't matter. When we handwrite, because we want to write faster, so we don't put dots. So T like this. At the beginning would be telescope. See, cop, P in the end, telescope, and that's K, and this is our telescope, right? Telescope. But that's not very clear. Let me write it better.
I don't understand where is T, where is Y, L, K, F.
Good question. Okay. This is telescope. So T, L, C, K with that crooked hat and P. Telescope. Or something that we use more frequently would be taxi. So T, A, K, S, and Y. Taxi. Okay, next letter is S. We have lots of these in Persian. This one is S with 3 dots on top. S like this, or like this with a half circle, or like this, or like this. All of them are S. Like saniye. Ye. This is ne, this is ye, and this is he in the end. Saniye. This is like this. When we write it fast, it's like this. Saniye. Or musallas. Musallas. So musallas is triangle. Saniye is seconds. Thank you for watching, and please, if you got value out of this video, like and subscribe. It would help the channel a lot. And also see you guys in the next videos.